Living together in peace is all about accepting differences and having the ability to listen to, recognize, respect, and appreciate others, as well as living in a peaceful and united way. The United Nations General Assembly, in its Resolution 72 of 130, declared 16 May the International Day of Living Together in Peace as a means of regularly mobilizing the efforts of the international community to promote peace, tolerance, inclusion, understanding, and solidarity. This day aims to uphold the desire to live and act together, united in differences and diversity, in order to build a sustainable world of peace, solidarity, and harmony. This day invites countries to further promote reconciliation to help to ensure peace and sustainable development, including by working with communities, faith leaders, and other relevant actors through reconciliatory measures and acts of service by encouraging forgiveness and compassion amongst individuals. Following the devastation of the Second World War, United Nations was established to save succeeding generations from scourge of war. One of its purposes was to achieve international cooperation in solving international problems, including by promoting and encouraging respect for human rights and for fundamental freedoms for all, without distinction as to race, sex, language, or religion. In 1997, General Assembly proclaimed the year 2000 as the International Year for a Culture of Peace. In 1998, it proclaimed the period 2001 to 2010 as the International Decade for a Culture of Peace and Nonviolence for Children of the World. In 1999, the General Assembly adopted a resolution and by it the Declaration and Program of Action on a Culture of Peace, which serves as universal mandate for the international community, particularly the United Nations system, to promote a culture of peace and non-violence that benefits all of humanity, including future generations. The declaration came about as a result of long held and cherished concept contained within the constitution of UNESCO that since wars begin in the minds of men, it is in the minds of men that the defenses of peace must be constructed. The declaration embraces the principle that peace is not merely the absence of conflict, but also requires a positive, dynamic, participatory process in which dialogue is encouraged and conflicts are resolved in a spirit of mutual understanding and cooperation. The declaration also recognizes that to fulfill such an aspiration, there is a need to eliminate all forms of discrimination and intolerance, including those based on race, color, sex, language, religion, political or other opinion, national, ethnic, or social origin, property, disability, birth, or other status.